Hello, welcome to this video. This is Practical Information Part 6. This is going to be a shout out video. So if you don't care about me or anything I have to say, don't watch this video. So first up on the shout outs, we have Soul Mason on YouTube. Cool guy. You should check him out. He knows a lot of stuff. Then we have Aluna Ash, who just awesome. And then we have John Gabriel, the greatest mathematician of our time. But he's just saying that you guys could be mathematicians. You just don't want to, because math is easy. Like, how are things here? Like, is this real? Is this physical? Is this geometric? Like, is this a shape? Yeah, it is a shape. Along with all these other shapes and esoteric stuff we got here. And next up we have QAnon. Hashtag QAnon. He posts, or they post, some stuff on the internet, some controversial things that gets them banned from Reddit and 4chan, maybe Twitter and Facebook. And then we have my buddy Nick. Nick is a cool guy. One of my best friends. I've known him since I was like 12 years old. Well, I mean, I've known him before that, but like we became friends when I was 12, and like we're basically brothers at this point. So after I got kicked out of my house after my home got invaded by reptilians, I had to leave and stay with Nick's parents. So shout out to Nick's parents. Shout out to my grandma, who is letting me stay here. And my final shout out is Brandon, because without him, Chase would not be doing any of this stuff that you see in front of you right here. So because of Brandon's Gemini ability to be super lucky and not know it, well, he knows it, but he doesn't know how it happens. Like, luckiness is just his forte. He made me realize that anything is possible. And then here's a Jewish star. The Jews did this. And then here we have the One, which is just super awesome technology that controls everyone. Because people can only do things if they get money for it, apparently. But who's doing this? Who is saying these words as they come out of my mouth into this room right here?